May you find strength and spirit of unity for the journey, and may you carry the vision for the future, for all our futures. Let's unite, let's act, and let's deliver. Excellency, ladies and gentlemen, we're very proud of the enthusiasm of the young people who joined us at COP28, and let's give her another round of applause. Excellencies, it now gives me great pleasure to hand over to invite Ambassador Wael Abou-El-Mejid, the Special Representative of COP27 President, to offer his keynote remarks.
Thank you.